Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. I'm locally owned, veteran operated. I'm a certified dryer exhaust technician. And I get the question all the time, what all do you do? Well, what keeps me the busiest are dryer vents. The biggest thing is you can have fires in your dryer vent. You get birds in your dryer vent. But I also replace and repair and clean out bathroom vents along with oven exhaust vents. And a lot of people say, well, why do you got to clean those out? There's no lint. There's nothing in there. Well, you clean them out because you want to prevent bird's nest. That's what you want to prevent. In this case, customer calls me out and he has an active bird's nest in his oven vent. So I'm going to flip this around. There's his oven vent. You can see all the bird feces on the brick wall. And you can also see it on the wall. And then he got most of the bird's nest out by hand, but could not get it out the rest of the way. So I used reverse air and I got it out of there. Now you're probably asking, what's the big deal? Who cares? Birds living in there for, the winter and it's great. Well, the problem is a lot of birds carry histoplasmosis. And histoplasmosis is an airborne disease that is airborne. So this exhaust happens to be right over where you're cooking. So if that bird has that disease and they are cooking and you're getting a back pressure and it's coming back into your house, that is falling into your food. That airborne is getting into your food. So all the airborne feces and everything like that is getting into your food. And then what are you doing? You're eating it. The second thing is in the bathroom vents, when you're up on the and there's birds stuff in your bathroom vent, there's no place for it to go. Every time the shower moisture hits that, then it re-moisturizes it and brings it back to life. So now it's back airborne again. So now all that is coming back into the bathroom, falling in your hair, your face, and on your naked body. Then you're enclosing it with your clothes. And then when you sneeze, cough, or whatever, you pull out and sneeze into it. So basically, what does Safe Dryer Vent Solutions? Well, we are your one-stop shop to your dryer vent needs. But we also will take care of your bathroom vents and your kitchen vents. We want to keep you healthy, happy, and we don't want your house to burn down. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, 317-430-3993. We are locally owned, veteran operated. I am a certified dryer exhaust technician. Do you know what's inside your vents? Call me. I can show you.